Joining us on the broadcast to give you a perspective on what the weather is like. Anand Sharma, he is a weather expert. Thank you, sir, for taking out your time and for speaking to NewsX. A very good afternoon to you. Mr. Sharma, I want to understand from you, obviously monsoon has already arrived in India, but these are severe weather conditions that certain cities and certain parts of the country are facing. If you can take us through the details of the forecast by the IMD, why we are facing such severe weather as well.
Warnings right from North India to, western part of country to the central India, even East UP. There are warnings for heavy to very heavy rain, and for another 48 hours they are going to continue with that. And actually, all the rivers and the nalas, they're all spaced, and people have been advised to stay away from such places. And of course, the places which are low-lying, there will be flooding, urban flooding, and even the fields, some of the fields for the farmers, naturally. But they have also been advised to make necessary arrangements to take out the water. So all the forecasts and warnings are in place. But yes, there are good things as well. I mean, the places where it was not raining, now it's raining. The farmers couldn't do their sowing, they will be able to do it. Temperatures have come down, so that's also big respite. But yes, during the monsoon season, we have always some areas where it is not raining, it's dry, and there are areas where we get extreme rainfall. So it always happens. But then we have to be prepared. Drainage system has to be improved. Wherever the major cities are facing their poor drainage problems, and it adds to the problem. So,
right, Mr. Sharma, I also want to understand from you because we had earlier seen a very dry spell, and monsoon was delayed. I want to understand from you, is there a compression of monsoon in India? Are we seeing this new trend? Because earlier there used to be a longer period when we used to take out average rainfall. Now cities are receiving the highest annual rainfall, the highest average rainfall within a matter of 24 to 48 hours. So the intensity of monsoon has increased even though the time frame has decreased for the same.
Cases, extreme rainfall cases have increased, maybe in the Western Ghat region, and some in the last decade, even in the Himalayas as well. But there is no uniform pattern. But remember, in the monsoon season, in the past also we have been getting heavy, very heavy, and extremely heavy rains. But yes, there are cases of increased cases because of human interference, global warming and climate change. But then our variability is so high. And remember, there are years when monsoon was much delayed than this. This time Maharashtra it was delayed by about 2 weeks. But then, fine, now we are getting it. But when there was a time when they said reservoir levels are at 7%. But now they're all filled up or near to, top level. So it always happens. That's why we should have good weather code and bad weather code. When it is raining, we should harvest, and before the monsoon season, we should clear our drains. We should increase the capacity of our lakes and ponds so that we can store more water. We should have sponge cities. That means we allow water to recharge our groundwater. The city should be in such that water should percolate down and recharge the groundwater. And when it is not raining, it's a bad weather code. Extreme rainfall, then we have to take precautions that, again, drainage has to be improved that time, and specific warning has to be given to the people. Remember, it will be always like that. Monsoon has been for thousands of years. It is very steady system. But yes, there are years when it comes little late, and maybe onset is delayed, and then sometimes even withdrawal is also delayed. But then it happens. It's part and parcel of the cycle. I would say there is extra pressure of climate change there, but then climate variability itself is very large, and we know how to tackle it. And if our governance is good, our planning
All right.
is
Thank you
good.
so much, Mr. Sharma. Unfortunately, that's all the time that we have to discuss this. But I also thank my colleagues who were reporting from the ground and getting you the latest updates. Well, now let's get in some more breaking news coming in. Citing humanitarian grounds and claiming that he has been unable to